Hey guys, I am That Gamer 397. And before we get started with this game, I just wanted to say I was considering doing a second challenge in this video, which was, since we're going to Sirens, Belch, which is the Screamers, I thought of making the creatures only Screamers. Nothing else. Not even the... Sorry, hold on. Who the fuck? That's a friend of mine. I thought of doing like a siren only challenge, which is I'll show you guys what I mean. Anyways, welcome back to Killing Floor. It's just opening right now, so, and I know I look sweaty. That's because it's fucking hot in here. Oh Jesus Christ Almighty! I don't know why I'm sweating so much. Hi Shadow. What's wrong with your eye, huh? My mom must have given him some more ointment this morning or something. I don't fucking know what she did. Looks good. His eye's all crusty. Well, not really all crusty, but... shut up, you know what I'm saying. Anyways. So I'll show you guys what I mean by Siren Only Challenge. Okay. So open. Killing Floor, no. There we go. Alright, so I'll show you what I meant by Siren Only. Solo. Killing Floor. Sirens, Belch. Beginner. Medium. Mutators. 5-alarm siren. Only sirens will appear during the game. There's also only bloats will appear during the game. The fact that only cloths will appear during the game, and only Gorefats appear during the game. No, remove all those buggy time and declaration reps. No traitor. Traitor doors stay shut the entire game. Only flesh paths will appear during the game. Bring a big gun. And you know what? Add configure mutators. Actually, I got an idea. We'll do those after I beat all the games. Sound good? Okay. So, what was that? Anyways, let's get right into this game, shall we? Alright. Hey guys, I am That Gamer 397, and welcome back to Killing Floor. Now, we're going to be doing some Sirens Belch. I did consider doing a challenge, which would be to make only sirens appear during the game, considering the fact that it is Sirens Belch. But I will do that the next time I play this. Okay? Oh god. I don't think I've ever played on this map before. So I'm a little bit skeptical, but I know with any luck we'll make it no problem. Just because it's a new map doesn't mean that I'll go suck at it. Okay, so the trader's probably over here. The trader's over here. This game is kind of boring with just these guys, honestly. That's why I would have liked to have added the siren only, because it would make the game a lot more challenging but at the same time, it would also make everyone like me deaf. But the amount of fucking screaming silence that there were the last time I did this shit was just like, holy crap. I swear, I could not hear shit over all the sirens the last time I played. Last time I did sirens only on solo mode. There was so many sirens, I thought that I was gonna hear those goddamn screams all fucking night. And I'm not fucking making shit up either. Excuse me, sir, are you alive? Oh no, he's just drunk. But where's his head? He's drunk and he's missing a head. Hey, jump over here. Nope. Oh, hi. Are you still alive, sir? What's that on you right there? That looks like a creepy crawler head. Ooh, armor. Nice. Good thing I didn't have to buy that. Sir? Why is everyone just dying on the ground all of a sudden?
And I'll be waiting.
See, look, Sirens, Belch. Traitors in here too. Traitors right here. You two can go fuck yourself. You guys don't deserve a shot. Skill's pretty weak already.
Jesus,
anyone that's tougher than those guys. We get a full-on shotgun blast. And then fight! 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 Fuck you! I'm not going overboard sometimes in this game, but I mean, come on. It's 24. You like killing blood, don't you? Okay, so, where's the last something?
The shop is open, boys. Come get me.
Look at my money on the bottom right. 6, 6, 6. How much did I sell this for? 262. That will not get me enough to get my fucking game thing. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get one golden hand cannon. Autofill ammo, repair body armor. Oh, gotta reload this thing. If I pick up another hand cannon, fine. If I don't, oh well. How do I drop shit again? Was it this key? Yeah, it was that key. I just wanted to find out how to drop stuff. Ammo? Oh, I've already got full ammo. Let's see. This map is cool already. Yes, we already clarified that this map is called Sirens Village. I don't mean that kind of village, I mean like okay, I might mean that, I don't know. Sir? If I answer the question, I'm gonna spill your guts. Oh, well, you already did. I also really have to learn how to
good
make
stuff I sold you. Put it to good use.
my own custom thumbnail, which is the starting image for videos, and you can fuck off. Fuck off. I want to Christ almighty.
I'm moving. See when you've got the job done.
I think he's in a position for a sacrifice. I'm not sure that was done. Jesus, that was cool. I one shot at that. You know, you. Ah, that guy. The first siren of the map, ladies and gentlemen.
Shop will open soon, lads. Head this way.
Oh god. Sorry, fat boy. Well, you know what they say after a bounce was the fucking boom. Okay.
I'll tool you up just right.
Okay, here we go. So follow the trail to the trader. I have more than enough. Oh, we got the bullpup. Let me just sell that. There's also semi-automatic. Fully automatic. Okay, we're in the trader. Sell our bullpup. We'll sell our camo shotgun. Can't get the HSG. No. Autofill ammo, repair body armor. We'll get the full-blown hand cannons. Oh, that's right. It only cost me 500 to get that. Neon HSG shotgun, and once I get enough, which is 750, I'll get the generator piece of the MK2, which will give me 3 very good weapons. Yeah, buddy. And also, if you call me babe one more time, I will shove my foot so far up your ass, you'll become a new puppet for my foot. What the hell? Are these TVs? Possibly. But now we got a dual golden hand cans, we got a neon HSG KSG shotgun. Sorry.
2 bloody great handfuls. Nice one. Get off me, you bloody nonce.
Bloody hell.
They're all dead. It's time to go shopping.
I fucking love this shopping. Okay, so, in my test... Oh. What? Oh, trader's over there. Okay. Okay. Auto-fill ammo. Prepare body armor. Buy inside eradication device. Fill ammo. Awesome! We have 3 great weapons, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 4, basically, if you're counting both hand cannons, of course. Okay, let's refill our health. You're on wave 4 of it. Oh! Sirens, Belch, Brewery! Okay. So this place is a brewery. Oh, yep. Yeah, that makes sense. It looks like a brewery. Truck loaded. HHF. Paul. Or Hale. Hitler. Fuckers. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. Half, fuck with. It could mean it could also mean another thing. That's what I'm trying to think about.
They're coming. I'm gone.
Okay, all these fucking crawlers. Okay, you know what? Grenade!
If you live long enough, I'll be here.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I need to. Christ almighty, there's a lot of fucking crawlers. Oh, these things. hell did you mean by that? Oh,
I'll tool you up just right.
But what the hell did it mean by
50 cal fun time.
Okay, so I blew them all up out here. So I don't even know what it means by piercing. I've never even heard that word. I didn't even know there was anything to destroy in this. Okay, try this right here. Auto fill ammo. Repair body. Heal cell. Okay, let's try to find some fear stains. Okay, so that's not a fear stain. What is a fear stain? So I'm trying to figure out. Okay, let's talk about it for a minute. So when we destroyed that fear stain, we were somewhere that I forgot. Okay, we were around here. We were probably like. We were right here. We were right here. We were around here when we destroyed that beer stain. So
boys. You know
I'm trying to figure out what a beer stain is.
Bugger that. She could break
And
glass
what
with
the
that
fuck it
string.
looks like. Bye-bye. Shot that bitch's leg off. No, that's not a beer stain.
Watch out for me, boys.
And this is definitely a kid. Christ on me. Wait a minute, I think I saw something. And once I cut out all these zombies, I'll test it. That's the beer stain. Fuck off.
Lots of lovely guns.
Shut up.
Just
Let's
waiting
test
for
it.
you.
That's a beer stain! Okay. So now we know what a beer stain looks like. We can search and destroy it. Alright. Now we're fucking on a roll here. Okay. Beer stain. A beer stain is a fucking, beer jug, apparently. Okay. Straw. I think this guy's drunk. Ooh, a siren. Shit. Okay, beer stains. Fuck off, fly. Beer stain. Shut the fuck up. It took me a while to figure out what exactly a beer stain was. And I finally figured it out. Okay, so we were right here
The shop is open,
when we
boys.
destroyed that last beer
Come
stain.
get me.
And I am going to go to the trailer. Well, if I see a beer stain on the way there, I'm going to shoot the fucking thing.
Yeah, one in each hand.
Any beer stains in here, man? All clear. Okay, let's see. Where exactly are all the beer stains? That's my question. And what do I get? Well, there's a keg right here. Can I destroy this? Nope. It has to be little mugs. Okay. We've only got 35 seconds to find as many beer stains as we can. And we'll start in the basement here. Okay, let's look downstairs here. don't see any beer stains yet. Nothing in there. Nothing around here. Okay, I'm trying to do this, I'm trying to find most of the beer stains, but that's none of them. Shit.
Don't forget about me, boys. Come and find me.
And you can fight me. You too. Shit. How many of these fuckers are there? Hack that boy. Oh shit. Who ain't puking on me? Bitch.
I'm ready and waiting.
Quick!
I'm gonna keep that scream alive or silent. Only because the name fits to this map. Don't worry, Siren. I'm gonna keep you alive. But if you keep screaming in my fucking ear, I will shoot the shit out of you. I'm looking for beer stains still. I don't think I. Ooh, ammo. I don't think I found him in this area yet. So there's gotta be something of a beer stains around here. There's beer stains. There's one. 24. Okay, you know what? Shut up.
I'm not coming back, boys. So make the most of it.
Alright, so we found 6 beer stains. Alright, 64th up. Wait, is this the final map before the picture? Oh shit, it is. The NHC is done, and now we're gonna get the AA-12 shotgun. Because, well, you can't kill the Patriot without going the AA-12 shotgun. You can't, well you can. It'd just be harder. Okay, we got room for 3. I'm gonna get the Neon Schneidze medic gun.
Yeah,
And in the
one
meantime-
in each hand.
And in the meantime, we will go and look for more beer stains for 30 seconds. More armor. I like how he just goes up. Oh man, I think I need a medic. Oh yeah, I'm good. Fuck the medic. That morphine really helped me. By the way, good thing I noticed the wave, and it's a good thing I bought the golden AA-12 shotgun, otherwise, I would not survive this shit.
What you've done.
He looks pissed. Okay, it's probably a bad idea to just stay right there. So I'm gonna head towards, I'm gonna go over here. That looks like the fight yard. I don't even know where the pickaxe is. I have not seen him yet. There he is. Fuck the hive!
My children, show them how much you love.
Oh, that was fun. I definitely enjoyed that. And I still have to get my recording plan set up over the course of the next couple of weeks. So, my plans for this week might not be 100% accurate, but they will stay as is. So there will be no changes. Well, I changed around one little thing. You know how today I recorded Google Feud and then Killing Floor. I was actually going to do Counter-Strike Source and then Killing Floor. But I changed it around a little bit because tomorrow I'm actually doing something that I have not recorded in a while. But that's just the way it goes about. But in the next episode of Killing Floor, we'll be going to the Steamland. Oh, this map! Oh, I like that map! Yes. Are you sure you want to exit? You can run. But the RPG before dawn. Also, I was not sure on what those gear states were first because I did not see where it was when I destroyed it. I didn't even know there was anything to destroy in that map, but we finally got that done. But anyways, when I close the game, what does that mean? Finally, you get it right. It means that I'm all out of time for this episode. I'm gonna leave it at that. I missed the fly. So thank you everybody so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this and let me know what you think in the comments below. What did you think of this episode of Killing Floor today? Did you like it? I enjoyed it. I almost considered just making the whole game only Sirens for Sirens Belch. But we'll do that. I'll show you a bunch of cool stuff after I beat all the maps and all the objectives as well. But anyways, once again, thank you all for watching. Also, do me a favor, click on the like button down below, hit subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever I upload a video. I upload 2 videos Monday through Friday, and then 1 vlog or live stream on the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, 1 vlog or live stream on one of those days. I will be doing a live stream very soon. It will be a charity live stream. I'm not sure what charity I'll stream for, but it's only going to be for a couple of hours. If we don't hit our goal, do that. Or I can make it a GoFundMe for myself. Hey, it's going to a good cause. If you guys actually donated to me through GoFundMe, I would be able to get a new laptop, which would allow me to record a buttload more games without the shit frame rate. I could get a new mic because I've been told my mic is pretty shit. I could get a whole new gaming setup. I could either go for a laptop or a desktop. It's up to you guys. But anyways, once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. That Deaf Gamer signing off.